That's just for Ezra. Yo! Yo! You have to record your thing to me. And we'll have a 20-minute timer to accomplish your tasks.
So do I just share it to you?
You just press share. I'll send you my link. There's 7 of them. There's 6 of them. What if I get the same thing twice?
That is a lot of things. Why is that one bigger than the other ones?
No! I hate you.
Break any rule.
Kill a group of zombified piglins. We're good.
Break any rule. Alright.
I have to kill a group of zombified piglins.
Break any rule.
Do you want to be
use
called
block
this?
ESP.
Do you want to use... You have to use break a rule, by the way, for like the entire 20 minutes.
What if he checks my block's mind and sees that every 2 ancient debris, or every 2 netherrack is like 5 ancient debris?
Bro, what are you gonna do with them?
What do you mean, what am I gonna do with them?
You're gonna keep it?
Keep what?
The ancient debris.
Yeah, am I just gonna like blow it up?
Oh no, give some to me.
I was hoping to get the break any rule.
I hit it! I'm scared. It's coming toward me, bro. I'm gonna log out if it hits me. It has a spear!
I can't get close to one because I'm lazy. I don't know.
Get over here.
Far.
Yo, it hit me! I killed one and the others are not coming toward me. Does that count?
No. It has to be like a group, like a bunch of them like going towards you.
Bro,
you can just like kill one
you're
minute.
Getting killed. Literally, only one is chasing me.
How? You have to like go to like a big group of them. You can't just like separate them all.
I'm going to do that. He said kill a group. I'm killing them one at a time.
Yeah, kill a group as
advanced killing strategies. Get over here! He's stupid.
I hope that you don't hit one and all of them just start running towards you.
That's what happened to you and Christopher. Okay. There's 2 over here. That sounds like a group.
You should go to 4 bridges. There's a couple over here.
I'm not going to 4 bridges. I need to be next to the portal so I can escape.
There's like, oh, they all just despawned. Oh, they're back. And
okay, there's 2 coming toward me. I ran out of arrows, by the way. There's 3. There's 4. That counts as a group. If I said a group of friends, that's 4 friends. That counts.
Yo.
There's 5.
Kyle.
Yeah.
That is not what I meant when I put kill a group.
There's 5. There's 6 of them.
Specified.
There's 7 of them. They're all running toward me.
That's a better group.
This is a gold farm. Thank you. Yo, there's a gas. The gas is bombing the portal. There's 2 of them. Okay, I completed your challenge.
Yo, actually.
Yes, you can stop hacking now. Yo, it's literally or so.
You gotta wait 20 minutes.
Stop. Where are you? I'm reporting
telling you.
I'm reporting you to Windhammer if you don't stop.
You're nah. What is he gonna do about it?
He's gonna ban you, bro. He's the owner of the server.
When? Like next year. He can't get on.
Yo, there's literally a gas bombing 4 bridges. What am I supposed to do?
That means the server isn't gonna reset for a year.
Yo, I fell into a cave. Okay, stop hacking. Stop cheating. Okay, stop.
I stopped.
Okay.
I stopped.
Come back to 4 bridges. This is taking so long.
Did you hear what his dad said?
He laughed.
Yeah, he started laughing, saying that happened to him once.
Ah! He said the N-word?
I guess.
Okay,
oh, I actually can't find the way out.
I'm at 4 bridges. You have 5 minutes to return.
What? I'm trying to find my way out.
Yeah.
I'm trying to use like my app thing. Why? How far did I mine?
bro.
But how much ancient debris I have in a chest? Why? I'll put it in. I'll put my ender chest.
Dude, give me like 5, please.
Why?
Because I asked you nicely, I'll give you 5.
1, 2, 3.
What is
Right,
this?
you see how everything's messed up?
Yeah. Yo!
Ooh. Yeah, that's skill
you
right there.
You need to sort your ancient debris in there.
Build a strip club. Are you serious? Dude, it was literally at the edge. I'm screenshotting that. That's not fair.
I got Kill Jordan. What should I do? Should I just remove it?
Oh yeah, skip that one.
Okay. I'm spinning it again.
Dude, look at that. That was a line.
Wait, I'm Kill a
good.
gas with his own fireball. I suck at that.
Well, yeah, not only is it just annoying, but like the server can't handle it.
It takes like 3 seconds and then the fireball gets pushed back.
Oh, Kyle, there's one right there.
Okay.
Just don't blow up
Come
4
here.
Or
Well, you're
just
to build
don't
a strip
blow up
club,
4
so-
bridges.
Yes, I got you to
Dude.
build the strip club.
I don't know why you want me to do that so bad.
He's ignoring me. What the heck? The one time
There's a pre-built mined out area over here. Hold on.
I wonder why, bro.
Kyle, were you waiting for this? Were you hoping this would happen?
Yo.
Does it show that I'm online on Discord?
No.
Okay. I don't.
I suck at this. It's blowing up 4 bridges. This is happening
Yo, then
so
get away
much.
from Fort Bridges.
I
then.
am. Fort Bridges has suffered so much pain and trauma. I'm better at shooting the fireballs with an arrow. Yo! It hit me behind!
I'll be back. Actually, I don't know if I'll leave call.
The gas is on
By
top
the
of me
way-
and it's not firing! Feed
By the way,
extra.
I was using an auto.
No, I'm going underground. I'm gonna turn on my auto clicker. It's actually working! Yo, it hit me from behind!
It's his artist dot. Oh, name!
Yes! I did it! I did it! It took 5 years!
Yo, I still have to mine glowstone.
I'll give you glowstone, don't worry. Why do you need so yeah, okay? That's a fire dance floor.
It's not that good, but
Yo!
wait.
Go up there.
Music.
Get up there. Take off your pants. Let's get ready to spin the wheel. For the last time, by the way.
The last time. Alright. Let's see. Move that. Alright.
Start.
If you
Okay.
just attack Jordan, just skip it.
3, 2, 1, spin! Yes, I got break a rule / cheat. Let's go.
Frame each player's family in chat.
You can threaten every single player who's on the who's
In
ever
the
played
chat, even if they're not online.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 20 minutes. Stop using the same thing. You make it unique. Make it unique. I see your strip mines. Yeah, you need to be unique. I hate you. He has a play
No,
with
not
somebody.
Jordan.
You need to come up with something more unique. You have to do their siblings.
Who?
Their siblings.
Whose siblings?
Everybody's siblings.
Oh wait, Alexander played.
Alexander. How do you plan on feeding their parents a landmine? That seems like a pretty difficult task. Hey, that's mean. Respectfully, okay. Disrespectfully. What did Christopher do to you?
Nothing. You told me to threaten your parents, okay? I did what I served my purpose.
Okay, well, you have to threaten their siblings. I said families, not parents.
Our entire family. I'm not doing our entire family. No.
I never said you had to do it one by one. This is your punishment for not coming up with unique threats. Also, how do you plan on feeding their parents a landmine?
No.
You just slip it in a cake.
Yeah. So like when like it's their birthday and like they shove their head into the cake, it just explodes.
Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Boom.
Family of 5 explodes. Hold on. Family of 5 violently explodes after shoving the birthday boy's head into a cake. That makes perfect sense.
It actually does. See, if you look at paragraph 5 of the Bible, it says, those who are bad must get their head shoved into a landmine on their birthday.
Those who are bad get fed a landmine.
In the Empire. How do I get out? That's the question. Warning number 1. 3 warnings and you're out.
3 warnings and your family's out.
If I spin the wheel for it. Okay, let's go to the wheel. I have 2 more.
Alright, I'm gonna spin it.
Spin. I have to do both of these either way.
What is it?
Find 5 structures.
Does that say bridge?
You've not been
Build an
to.
oak bridge in the nether. Dude, do I have to? It's just gonna burn down.
That's the whole point. You land on
Dude,
the.
Jackson gets his hands on a lunge spear. He has infinite saturation. Everyone's dead. He said he's gonna go to an ancient city, or not ancient city. Wait, is it called an ancient city?
Yeah.
Skulk place.
Skulk place.
And he's
I
just
found
gonna,
a shipwreck. I've never been here.
spear swap because his infinite saturation.
I've never been to this shipwreck before.
What are the coordinates to the shipwreck?
Negative 180, negative 115.
Like the exact coordinates.
Yeah, those are the exact coordinates.
Are
Bridge treasure.
negative what?
Oh, I need to head southwest. Yeah, they already looted it. Unless they
My
didn't.
name is Andrew Dingus.
Maybe they didn't loot it. Okay, who put it back though? That's hilarious. They put it back after they used it. There's a village. That's 3 structures. Yeah, this is definitely where it was. They already looted it, unfortunately. No, I found it. Ah. There's a map. That's just a bunch of water. This counts as a structure, right?
Alright, time to build your.
Food and TNT. Let's go.
Do I actually have to finish it or just build it?
You have 20.
Like, does it have to be in one piece?
You have 13 minutes.
Like, are you telling me I have to like
I don't know. Figure something
build
out.
it,
You have
but
12
like
minutes.
it?
Okay, I found a village, so that also counts. Dumb cow.
It's already burning down.
It's actually.
Yes, every time I place it, just instantly. No.
Try not to let it burn. You're recording, right?
Try not to let it burn.
You're recording, right?
Oh. Yep, I'm really trying not to let it burn, Kyle. It's too late.
You're trying to record. You're recording, right?
Yes, I'm recording.
How are you gonna send me
I'm not-
the files, though? Sword.
Alright, built your bridge. Do you want me to spin it again?
Take a screenshot
Take a screenshot.
before it burns down. And send it to the HonorBound SMP.
Want a
Say,
screenshot?
send it to the HonorBound and say I made a new bridge. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Yeah, you want a screenshot? Let me send you a screenshot.